Okay. Going on a ride on my W800. Let's go. It's a really nice day today. Sun shining after rain for the last few days. Supposed to be sunny all weekend, high of about 70 degrees. So I'm going to get out and do a little riding. Got the GoPro Hero 10 on my helmet. The Hero 8 on the handlebars. And I picked up a new video editor, Movavi Video Editor Plus 21, and I've been having fun with it. Had been using DaVinci Resolve, and it's pretty good, but it's a little bit resource intensive, and I wasn't having very good luck editing 4K files on it, or GoPro files of any resolution really. And then if you want to get fancy with intros or outros for YouTube, you've got to learn Fusion, and that's a bit of a learning curve that I really didn't want to embark on. So one of the YouTubers that I watch, Dome Life, mentioned that he uses Movavi, and I was impressed with the editing he does, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's relatively inexpensive, and it's pretty quick. Not a huge learning curve. I've already made an intro and an outro with it. It's got a lot of YouTube friendly packs that you can buy for it. I bought a couple. One is the vlogging pack, and the other is more specific to YouTube. So I'm liking it so far. I'll go ahead and edit this video with it. I'm recording this in 2.7K, 60 frames per second. And I think I'm going to stick to that resolution and frame rate for a while. couple of the videos I uploaded to YouTube in 4K, they would play fine at 2.7K, but they would tend to freeze in certain spots at 4K. And that happened both with DaVinci Resolve rendering as well as Movavi. So I'm not sure what the problem is. But I like the quality of the 2.7K. And the file sizes aren't enormous. So it seems to be a happy medium. I also got a new dead cat for the microphone, the Purple Panda microphone. Just trying to find the magic bullet to minimize the wind noise. We'll see how this works. I think my hopes might be too high about getting rid of the wind noise. Might just have to accept the fact that there's going to be some, and I watch other motovlog videos and I hear about the same amount of wind noise that I've been getting, so I think I'm holding myself to too high of a standard. The other advantage to recording at 2.7K is one of the issues people have been having with the GoPro Hero 10 is overheating and battery capacity. I don't think I'll have any significant overheating problems at 2.7K. And should probably get a good hour's worth of recording out of one battery. It should be plenty. I picked up the GoPro battery charger that comes with an extra battery. So now I have two batteries, in case I need to extend the recording time for a couple hours. Head out here to horse country again. The Oregon winters can be a little chilly and wet, but I plan on riding all winter. Mostly on sunny days. I'll try to avoid the rain. And then just wear some warm gloves and a jacket. which seemed to do a pretty good job after I bought the motorcycle last winter. Oop, squirrel. That's about the third squirrel I've come close to hitting on the road recently. Twice in my truck, and then just now on the motorcycle. But I was able to brake and miss them all. Thank goodness. Avoid that sick feeling you get running over one. That's it for today. Almost home. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And as Itchy Boots would say, I'll see you in the next video.